Welcome to Draw with Bunny. Today we are going to draw a very cute tulip. So let's get started. In the first step, I will draw the flower part of our cute tulip. For that, I will draw the letter W. Follow along, up, down, up. Here we go. Now I will draw a letter U from this point, a line curving down just like this, and then moving up and meeting this point. Now in these spaces I will draw an upside down letter V, just like this. Again. Here we go. Our flower part with its cute petals are now ready. In the second step, I will draw its cute little stem. For that, from this point, almost in the middle, I will draw a straight line going all the way down, and now again another straight line parallel to this line going all the way down just like this. In the third step, I will draw its cute leaves. For that, from this point, I will draw a curved line moving outward, and then from this point a curved line again and meeting at this point. Now I will draw another leaf just like this on this side. From this point, repeating the step, a curved line moving outward, and then again a curved line moving inward and meeting this point. In the fourth step, I will draw a cute pot for this cute tulip. For that, first I will draw the upper rim part, and I will draw a rectangle for that. Here's the first line, and then the side lines, and then another bottom line like this. Now for the bottom part, I will draw two slanting lines like this, and then a bottom line connecting these two lines. Now in the last step, I will draw a cute little detail on a cute pot. You can add any detail you want, but I will be adding a cute heart in the very middle of our cute pot. In the next step, I will make my drawing a bit more prominent, and I will fast forward this step. Let's color our cute tulip. For the flower, I will be using purple color. For the stem, light green. For the pot, light blue. And for this cute heart, dark pink. You can color your tulip any color you want, because tulip comes in different colors. Our tulip is now ready. See you in the next video with another cute drawing. Bye bye.